Thank you note, January 25th, 2026. Thank you, my wonderful neighbor. The snowstorm finally arrived on Sunday, and it was much heavier than expected. It started around 3 a.m. and continued into Monday morning. By then, my front door was almost blocked by snow. Around 5 p.m., slips began to fall. I worried that everything would freeze overnight, and it became even harder to clear the next morning. So even though the snow hasn't stopped it, I decided to go outside and swivel the driveway and the sidewalk. Fully bundled up, I walked my way through the snow. When I finally reached the sidewalk, I realized that someone had already cleared it once. At that moment, my heart felt warm. My dear neighbor, thank you. There's a saying, everyone should clear their own sidewalk of a snowstorm. In fact, it is even required by law in the United States. But over the years, we neighbors have developed a quiet understanding. We help each other, mowing lawns in summer, shoveling snow in winter, always lending a hand when we can. This tradition actually began many years ago with a senior white lady who lives next door. She had difficulty walking, lived alone, and have no children. My son and I would help her mow the lawn in summer and shovel snow in winter. Later, she sold her house and moved to an apartment, but the habit of help one another stayed. Just like yesterday's strange who carefully wrapped old furniture with plastic, today's sidewalk reminded me again. It doesn't matter whether others praise you or notice you. What matters is whether you choose to do the right thing. Good fortune comes from kindness, and more importantly, only kindness brings good fortune. Thank you, my neighbor, for giving my children the chance to learn compensation and responsibility through real life. Thank you again, my wonderful neighbor.